Hello guys, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. I am here with NFO which is ending in just 2 days. You can see from my screen it is written days 2 hours 2 minutes 9 and seconds. They are varying. So only this much of time is left for you to invest in this fund, and I am coming with a video very late. So slight apologies for that. So guys, please see my video till the end to know exactly whether you should invest in this NFO or not. Plus, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get my NFO updates and all my banking related features and everything videos which I posted related to banking on a priority basis. So coming to this NFO, this is NFO from Axis and its name is Axis Nifty Midcap 50 Index Fund. This NFO period is from 10th to 21st March 2022. Now, what is the overview of this NFO? It is an open-ended index fund. This is basically a passive fund. Passive fund means it will not be any active involvement for any fund manager to do something. It will basically work upon the index of the Nifty 50 Midcap Index. The objective is to provide returns before expenses that closely correspond to the total returns of the Nifty Midcap 50 subject to the tracking errors. Hence, there can be no assurance that the investment objective of the scheme will be achieved. Who is the fund manager? It is Mr. Jinesh Gopani, who has 19 years of work experience. Now, what will be the benefits? It will invest in emerging mid-sized companies in the high growth phase. First of all, let me explain what are large cap companies, what are mid cap companies and what are small cap companies. Top first 200 companies basis on their asset size are categorized as large cap companies. Apart from that, 101 to 250 companies are categorized as mid cap companies, and all the companies below the ranking of 251 and below, they are categorized as small cap companies. So large cap companies क्या करते हैं? Large cap companies have a very stable return. They are already a very growth company, means they have already grown so much. So they will not give you so much higher growth as compared to the mid cap and small cap, but they have a very potential and stable return in the volatility of the market. Now coming to what are the mid-cap companies? Mid-cap companies have higher potential to grow as compared to the large-cap companies. Still, they have lesser potential to grow as compared to the small-cap companies, because small-cap companies ने अभी अपना स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करा होता है या फिर वो अभी भी मार्केट में आके अपने ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज़ कर रही होती है, तो वो नई नई चीज़ें के नए नए पैरामीटर्स को एक्सपेरिमेंट करती है, तो उनमें ग्रोथ का चांसेस मिड कैप का कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा रहता है. स्टिल मिड कैप का ग्रोथ कंपैरिजन लार्ज कैप कंपनीज के कंपनी. बैक टू द बेनिफिट्स, इट इन्वेस्ट इन emerging mid-sized companies in the high growth phase. Second is a quality portfolio, access to the companies with established track record and high liquidity as compared to the normal small cap, obviously. Third one is diversification. Definitely, because your money will be invested in the Nifty 50 index that will represent a wide range of sectors. And another one is cost effective. It is index fund have relatively lower expense as compared to actively managed fund. There will be no costing as compared to the active funds. Now coming to the last one is wealth creation. It attempts to capture long-term capital appreciation of the stocks. Now, what are the features? It aims to capture the growth phase of emerging companies. It comprises high quality liquid stocks as compared to the small cap companies. Definitely it is more liquid. Third one is low cost passive investment option. Yes, but the word passive here is signifying little bit depressive, because definitely actively managed funds are better performing as compared to the passive funds which work on the traditional way of method, like ऐसा होता चला आ रहा है तो हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए. They don't experiment anything, and that is what passive is called. So now some FAQs are there, that what is Axis Nifty Midcap 50 Index Fund. I think I have described you this. What is an index fund? Index fund is a type of mutual fund that seeks to track the return of a market index. But that is all. One thing more is true, that whenever you correlate everything with the index fund, and if you see from the very beginning to the up till now, there were so many times volatility was there in the market, still the graph is a very straight line that is moving towards the up. So it is always said that in your portfolio of mutual fund you should keep one index fund also as an SIP mode. Now coming to the topic, what is a nifty midcap 50 index fund? This also I have explained you. And why invest in Axis midcap 50? Because midcap stock comprises the 101st to 250th companies in terms of full market capitalization that I told you earlier, and these companies are emerging business in the high growth phase. Axis Nifty Midcap 50 Index Fund invest in quality midcap stocks that offer potential for growth by allowing a passive way of investing and market-linked returns. Definitely, we are getting a market-linked returns also. We are investing in an index fund also, and the third benefit is that it is in correlation with the market. Plus, we are investing in 50 top companies, so that is a benefit. What is passive investing? Passive investing I've already discussed with you. And is this an equity mutual fund? Definitely this is an equity mutual fund. Which benchmark index does the scheme follow? As the name suggests, it follows Nifty Midcap 50 index. Try as a benchmark. Who can invest? Any person of the resident minor can also invest, provided the guardian, natural guardian should be there. NRIs, PIOs, OCI residing abroad on repatriation basis, they can also invest. Such other categories of person permitted to make investment as may be specified by AMC trustee from time to time. Which additional modes of investment are available to invest in this fund? Okay, investors can transact through the below mode. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक एक्सिस MF ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म रहता है, उससे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. MF यूटिलिटी प्लेटफॉर्म से इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. चैनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स जैसे कि एजेंट्स होते हैं, ब्रोकर्स होते हैं, उनके थ्रू इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इन प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. कोई अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मोड जैसे कि आप ऑनलाइन MF के लिए अकाउंट ओपन कराते हैं किसी भी बैंक में, उनका एक ऑनलाइन पोर्टल होता है, वहाँ से भी आप डायरेक्टली इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको डायरेक्ट मोड में इन्वेस्ट करना है तो आपको डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट से इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. बट अगर स्टॉक्स या ब्रोकर्स के थ्रू इफ़ यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट पैसिव मोड, जहाँ पे आपका ARN कोड एंड ऑल आपको मेंशन करना होता है, उस केस में आपको बैंक के थ्रू इन्वेस्ट करना होगा. व्हाट इज़ द एग्जिट लोड ऑन दिस फंड? Exit load is very less, and that's the best thing. That is 0.25% if redeemed, switched out within 7 days from the date of allotment and investment. मतलब 7 days के अंदर आप पैसा अगर निकाल रहे हो तो there is no exit load. What a wonderful idea ना. अगर आप 7 days सपोज कोई भी फंड को आप एटलीस्ट 1 month तो रखना चाहोगे ना फॉर द रिटर्न्स पार्ट, और अगर निफ्टी 50 परफॉर्म कर गया विद इन 1 month एंड यू आर गेटिंग अ गुड रिटर्न, यू कैन टेक आउट द मनी एज सुन एज द प्रॉफिट इज गेन्ड. So that is a win-win situation and there is no exit load. What are the taxation aspects of this fund? The fund is categorized as an equity fund and will attract equity transaction. Equity taxation. Equity taxation आप सबको पता होगा क्या होता है equity taxation. Equity taxation मतलब कि आपका अगर 1 year से below, suppose 1 year से below अगर आप funds निकालते हो तो obviously वो taxation रहेगा. And 1 year के above there will be hardly very less tax for you. How can I invest? Okay, minimum initial investment इसमें 5,000 रहता है and in multiples of 1 thereafter. Additional purchase आप इसमें 1,000 का कर सकते हैं, 1,000 के SIPs भी कर सकते हैं. Now रिस्कोमीटर में डेफिनेटली बेंचमार्क रिस्कोमीटर भी वेरी हाई है और इसका रिस्कोमीटर भी वेरी हाई है. So this is all for this fund. Documents part you already know and you can download the form from here and you can just go through this. Only 2 days, 1 hour 59 minutes and few seconds are left for to invest in this fund. Basically in the end I would like to just put up my point of view that किसी भी पैसिव फंड्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट से अच्छा हमें एक्टिव फंड की तरफ इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. बिकॉज पैसिव फंड्स जनरली ये मार्केट अलाइंड रहते हैं. डेफिनेटली एक अच्छा आइडिया है. अगर आप एग्जिट लोड देखेंगे तो भी एक अच्छा पॉइंट है इसमें इन्वेस्ट करने का. स्टिल पैसिव फंड है तो हमें रिटर्न का हम लोग अज्यूम करके चलते हैं कि ऐसे जैसे कि नॉर्मली ग्रोइंग फंड्स ने हमें रिटर्न दिया है वैसे रिटर्न देगा. कभी भी मार्केट में ऐसा सिचुएशन हुआ कि पैसिव फंड अगर परफॉर्म नहीं करे उस केस में एक्टिव फंड्स. So this was all for my opinion. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.